Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact files you need because missing data breaks the offline run. Install the APK now and copy the OBB or data folder into the correct Android/OB or Android/data path. Once done, grant storage permissions so the app can read assets. Next, disable network connections. Airplane mode ensures no online verification. You do this early to force local assets. It prevents servers from prompting updates. Make sure file names match expected ID to avoid load errors. Now you modify the game configuration to prefer local resources because the app may still try contacting servers. Open config. JSON and set offline flags and local paths. Save with exact syntax to avoid parse failures. If the app enforces certificate pinning, patch the manifest or use a trusted local patch to bypass checks. Once done, clear the app cache and regenerate any asset index or checksum files so the game recognizes local data. This step ensures consistent loads without timeouts. You're at the finish line. Launch the game and observe startup behavior because early log messages reveal missing assets or permission failures. If the game crashes, check for JSON syntax issues or mismatched file names and paths. Correct them and recopy the data. Make sure storage permissions remain granted and reboot the device to clear lingering locks. One key troubleshooting tip: if assets still fail to load, recopy the OBB/data with a binary safe tool and confirm permissions. That fixes most offline load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.